I found him. So I've got the GoPro going with the mic again today, but I've actually got 2 full batteries with me this time. So I declared to myself that today was going to be the first actual moto vlog. But you know, it's going to be kind of funny because from my house all the way to that Kroger, it's just me fucking talking to myself, and then as soon as I get to Kroger, it's still me talking to myself, but I'm actually talking to you. So people are gonna be like, this guy's fucking crazy, dude. Yo, I think this Equinox is trying to race. Let's fucking go, dude. Fucking fight me. Dude, fucking 2 bus links right there. Oh yeah, dude. You think you're fucking, yeah? Oh yeah, I was supposed to get my new headlights in the mail today, and so last night they literally said, oh yeah, they're gonna be arriving between 11:45 and like 4 o'clock, and then they sent me another message this morning and it said late delivery, and I was like, well, what the fuck does that even mean? So yeah, now I've still only got 1 fucking headlight. Oh, fucking Google, recenter, dumb bitch. Didn't fucking pass it, did we? Alright, we're gonna be turning just up here. Hashtag when your bike says I mean, that's fucking your bike at all times. And Kyle's bike, honestly. Alright, this is our first stop, so these are the proving grounds right here. I almost got a job here. Like I really wanted to take it, but the problem was it was all shift work. So it was like fucking minimum 30 hours a week, and you'd need to have complete flexibility, because it would, I mean, shift work, they fucking tell you at the beginning of the week what shift you're on. So it was like, I really didn't want to fucking, like, that just fucks up your schedule so much. Like it was like an hour and 15 minutes or something. Yeah, exactly. And then it was like, the next thing was, well, I mean, yeah, I could get an apartment, because they were offering me like 21 an hour. But then it was like, well, I need the fucking money to get an apartment in the first place. Like, is it exactly. It's like I'll be living somewhere I don't really want to live, and only making enough money to pay for a house that I didn't really want. Okay, we need to get in front of this Jeep. This is going to be a problem. Pass with care. Don't mind if I do. Fuck, car coming. Alright, I'm going for it. Oh, he flashed us. Alright, let's slow the fuck down. What's the speed limit on this road? Oh, damn, that looks dope. Oh, look at the fucking road going up the hill. Jeez. I know, right? Like, the entire thing is fucking surrounded by forest. And this one is like, yeah, sure, we'll put up some green shit, maybe a few pine trees. fucking love to go to a proving ground on a bike. I mean, like, it'd be fucking amazing enough in a car, but then, like, just to up it that tiny bit more. Oh my god. And dude, if they fucking charged for that, they would make so much money. Literally, you sign a waiver. If you crash, you can't do anything to us. And charge people $100 to go on the track for like 2 hours. They'd fucking make thousands. God, it's honestly like depressing being a motorcyclist in Michigan, because it's like you find like 4 corners that are like meh. You're like, whoa, yeah, let's go hit the twisties. Like, you go down to fucking California and like even North Rochester Road is like a fucking, is nothing. Like, it's just so sad.